In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to send envelope sign-in requests using templates that are constructed from non-Docusign templates. So that could be PDFs that come as a result of generating a PDF from a FileMaker layout, or it could be a static PDF file stored in a container field. We've got a separate video on working with Docusign templates, so please see that video for more details. So here's a template record that I've created. It's called our auto place agreement, and it comprises of two documents. The first document is generated from a FileMaker layout, and that's the name of the layout there. And if we view the document tabs, we can see there's 4 tabs for 2 recipients. So a date sign, a full name sign here, and a radio group. And this one's using, instead of putting in the hard-coded coordinates of the tabs, it's much easier to use the anchor strings auto place feature, where you simply put in hidden anchor strings on your layout, such as this one here, so /datesigned1/, and if that appears on the layout, Docusign will automatically place a date sign tab there. And we've got similar hidden anchor strings for the full name sign here tabs as well. And we've added a second document, and this one's just a FileMaker container field document, and we've just put in the static terms and conditions that we want to send at the end as document number 2. So that's the basic setup. You can ignore template roles, that only applies to Docusign templates. And there's a few other things you can do here. You can put in a URL to act as the webhook receiver, and we've got separate documentation on working with webhooks, such as using products like AutoFMS. If you want all recipients to get the email at the same time, you tick this box. Otherwise, if that's unticked, the first recipient will get it, and once they've signed it, will then go on to the second recipient. And you can also enter custom values for the expiry and reminder settings, and they're entered in the number of days. So there's a number of ways you can create a new request for this template. You can click on the template requests tab and click the new request button. You can find one of your contacts that you want to send it to and click the create new sign-in request and then choose the template. Or you can also just go into the request table, create a new request, and go into the details and choose the particular agreement. So that was the auto place agreement from memory, and then we just need to add our recipients. So we'll do Joe's going to be recipient number 1, and Reese is going to be recipient number 2. And I could also add another recipient. So let's say I wanted to have a CC recipient, so I could add Phoebe and just mark her as the CC. So she's going to get a copy at the end of the signed agreement, but she won't be asked to sign. She's just a carbon copy recipient. So we support a number of other features in the FME section file. If you click into this little popover, you can require user to enter an access code when they receive the email, but before they can view it. And we also support sending a notification via SMS or WhatsApp, as well as using the ID verification as well. And over here you can also schedule the send-in. So if you didn't want to send this immediately, but you want it to be sent overnight or on the weekend, you could put in the date and time in your local time zone that you want that request to be sent. Otherwise, once you're ready, and you can also send it via FileMaker server if you prefer as well, but at this point we've got everything we need to send a request. So we'll just click send envelope, and that request will make its way. Hopefully I've done everything right, and it has. There's another feature I should mention as well. If you're having issues with sending the envelope JSON to the Docusign API, if you click the log envelope request, the next time when you click send envelope, if you tick that before you click send envelope, that will log the JSON for the envelope in this field here, so you can quickly inspect it, and that'll help you when it comes to debugging and sorting out any issues with your request.